From my side it is showing clear. हाँ हाँ yes, write down. चलो addition, write down this. Addition and subtraction of fractions. No, same. हाँ हाँ, write down this. Addition and subtraction. हाँ yes. हाँ, addition and subtraction of new page. चलो addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Let us start. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay. Before we start 4.3, I have to explain you the concept. So, what will be the working method is this: if denominators are not equal, if first point, if denominators are equal, write on this. If denominators are equal, then simplify numerator. Good morning, good morning. If denominators are equal, then simplify numerator. If denominators are equal, then simplify numerators. Second point, if denominators are not equal, if denominators are not equal, if denominators are not equal, then we take LCM. Then we take LCM of denominator. Then we take LCM of denominators. Right, on first point, we take LCM of denominators and make denominators equal. And make denominators equal. Make denominators equal. Okay. So in addition and subtraction, if denominators are equal, we simplify numerator. But if denominators are not equal, then we take LCM. Not equal, then we take LCM of denominators and simplify. First point is, if denominators are equal, then we simplify numerator. Second point, if denominators are not equal, then we take LCM of denominators and make denominators equal. Okay, so based on this, we have to solve exercise 4.3. So let us solve exercise 4.3 based on addition and subtraction. Based on addition and subtraction, we have exercise 4.3. So addition and subtraction of two fractions. Whenever denominators are equal, simplify numerator. There is no need to take LCM whenever denominators are equal. But whenever denominators are not equal, you have to take LCM of the denominator and make denominators equal. Screen is clear, my dear. Okay. My side it is clear. You can rejoin. Yes. So, chalo, start first 4.3. Solve the following. My dear, I will send the video. No, you can write afterward. Solve the following. First it is 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. Now you tell me whether denominators are equal or not equal. Equal. 10, 10. Denominators are equal. So whenever denominators are equal, simplify numerator 1, then plus 2, 1 plus 2, I will take denominator 10 common, 1 plus 2 is 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is the answer. Now second, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Homework. Equal homework. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 homework. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 homework. Okay. What will be the answer? Tell me directly. You can take 2 by 5. Yes, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 will be 1 plus 1 by 5, that is 2 by 5. Okay. So all of you have understood nicely. That is why you are giving oral answer. Very good. So concept is clear. Whenever denominators are equal, simplify numerator. Let us see how much denominators are equal. See 1 by 9 plus 8 by 9. 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 8 by 9. 9 upon 9. 9 upon 9 will be 1. Yes. 5 by 5 by 8 plus 6 by 8. Homework. 1. No, my dear. See here. 9 upon 9. 9 upon 9. 9 9 get cancelled. 1. 1 will be the answer. Not 1 by 9, my dear. हाँ 11 by 8 is the answer of 11. D is yes, D is D is homework. Now E 1 by 7 plus 11 by 7. Denominators are equal, so add numerator. Homework 12 by 7. F 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Denominators are equal, add numerator. 2 by 3, yes. G 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7. Yes. Now see this. Now G, yes, I will solve. G, denominator is 5. Denominator is 5. Denominator is 7. They are not equal. Denominators are not equal. Denominator not equal. So whenever denominators are not equal, what you will do? You will take LCM of denominator. Yes, we have to take LCM of denominators and make denominators equal. Whenever denominators are equal, no problem. But when denominators are not equal, we have to take LCM of denominators. So we take LCM of 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Okay. So make denominator equal. So multiply 5 by 7. So 2 into 7 upon 5 upon 7. 5 into 7. Then plus sign. Now this is 7. You have to make denominator 35. LCM directly, no. Because they are prime number, my dear. 5 and 7 are prime number. So LCM of 2 prime number is their multiplication. LCM of 2 prime number, 5 and 7 they are prime number. Now this 7 I have to multiply by 5. So 3 into 5 upon 7 into 5. Yes, no problem. 7 2s are 14 upon 35. No, my dear, because 5 and 7 they are prime number, no. So prime number, whenever two numbers are prime number, LCM is their multiplication. Okay, directly you can write. Plus 5 3s are 15. 15 upon 35. Now denominators are equal, 35. Denominator is 35. 35, they are equal. So whenever denominators are equal, you can simplify numerator. So that is 14 plus 15 upon 35. 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 upon 35. This is the answer. Okay. Answer is 29 upon 35. Yes. DR means denominator. Okay. So whenever denominators are not equal, you have to take LCM of denominator and make denominators equal. Okay. So this is the working method. Whenever denominators are not equal, you have to take LCM of denominator and make denominators equal. Okay. Now let us see. Let me write H. H will be homework here. H 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5. 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5. This will be homework. You can do it easily. Denominators are not equal, so take LCM. 6 by 5 plus 19 by 13. 6 by 5 plus 19 by 30. Homework, take LCM of 5 and 30. J J 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Take LCM of 4 and 6. That will be homework. And all of you are very much comfortable with taking LCM. I have taught you. Yes. Then K. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Let me do this. 3 numbers are there. Okay. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Denominator is 2, denominator is 3, denominator is 4. They are not equal. Denominators. We are not interested in numerator, my dear. We are interested in denominator. Denominators are not equal. So whenever denominators are not equal, we take LCM of denominator. So we take LCM of 2, 3, 4. We find LCM of 2, 3, 4 by division method. Now all are not prime number, my dear. So you have to use division method. 2, 3, 4 are not prime number. Least common multiple means what is the smallest number which is divisible by 2, 3, 4. Yes. What is the smallest number which is divisible by 2, 3, 4? No, not my dear. No. Least common multiple. Not 2. 2, 3, 4. Let us do the division method. 2 ones are 2, 3, 2 twos are 4. Then again 2. 1, 3, 2 ones are 1. 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3. Product of this. 2 into 2 into 3. That is 12. So LCM is 12. Now we have to make denominator of each one 12. So this is 1 by 2. I have to multiply by 6. So 1 into 6 upon 2 into 6 plus this is 3. We want denominator 12. Multiply, yes. 1 into 4 upon 3 into 4 plus, and this is 4. We have to multiply by 3. 1 into 3 upon 4 into 3. Let us see. So this is 6 by 12. 6 by 12 plus 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12. Now denominators are equal. 12, 12, 12. They are equal. So I can simplify numerator. So what is numerator? 6 plus 4 plus 3. Denominator I will take common, that is 12. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Answer is 13 by 12. Answer is 13 by 12. Yes, understood? Yes? 13 by 12 is the answer. You can write down that in it is improper fraction. You can write down that in mixed fraction. No problem. Okay. So we stop here, 13 by 12. So whenever denominators are not equal, you take LCM of the denominator. Let me see the question, then I will decide. If it is easy, I will give homework. If it is little bit difficult, we will do that in the class. Okay, so whether it is division, whether it is addition or subtraction, working method is same. LCM of denominator, if denominators are not equal. Then I 2 by 5. I 2 by 5. I is 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 4. LCM of denominator. Denominators are not equal. Homework. Then J. J. Yes. No, my dear. What will be K? This is L. Now M. 2 is to 2 by 5 plus 1 is to 3 is to 1 by 6. They are mixed fraction. So convert them into fraction first. So what is that? 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. 12 by 5. plus 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19 by 6. Now whether denominators are equal? No. So denominators are not equal. So I will take LCM of 5 and 6. LCM of 5 and 6. LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Okay. So now make denominator of each one 30. So this is 5 multiplied by 6. 12 into 6 upon 5 into 6. Now this is 6 multiplied by 5. 19 into 5 upon 6 into 5. 12 6 are 72. 72 upon 30. 95 upon 30. Yes. Do not disturb, my dear. So very much patiently you have to attend the period. Denominators are equal. So when denominators are equal, you have to simplify numerator. When denominators are equal, you have to simplify numerator. This is 30. Good morning, good morning. 30, 30. Now they are equal. Let it be, no. 72 plus 95 upon 30. Some network problem may be. Whatever may be, my dear, some network problem may be there. Okay. Now 72 plus 95. Add them. 72 plus 95. 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 7, 16. 167 upon 30. 167 upon 30. But see here, the question is given in the mixed fraction. So your answer should be in the mixed fraction. So divide 167 by 30. Divide 167 by 30. 30 5 is 150. No, my dear. Answer will be 17. Okay, remainder is 17. So this is nothing but 5 is to 17 upon 30. 5 is to 17 upon 30, because the question is given in the mixed fraction. So your answer should also be in the now it is clear. Chalo, ठीक right. Then mn. चलो ठीक है. n 4 is to 2 by 5 plus 2 is to 1 by 5. This will be homework. Mixed fraction, convert that into improper fraction. 8 is to 3 by 4 plus 2 is to 1 by 6. Homework. Mixed fraction, convert that into improper fraction. Then P. Yes, these are mixed fraction. So your answer should be there, final answer should be there in terms of mixed fraction. You will get improper fraction. Then divide that and write down your answer in terms of yes. Very good. Now P question. Yes. All of you are talented, my dear. Very good. 3 is to 2 by 3 plus 1 is to 1 by 9. This is homework. Okay. So addition part is over. Solve the following. Now second, find the difference. So working method will be same. Whether it is addition and subtraction, if denominators are equal, simplify numerator. If denominators are not equal, take LCM of the denominator and make denominators equal. So in addition and subtraction of fraction, we use LCM method. Now second is find the difference. Find the difference. Find the difference. Find the difference. Okay. Difference means subtraction. So A is 7 by 15 minus 4 by 15. 7 by 15 minus 4 by 15. Now first you check whether denominators are equal or not. Yes. 15, 15. They are equal or not? Equal. Yes. So when denominators are equal, what you will do? Yes, anybody? Unmute and tell me the answer. When denominators are equal, what you will do? So this is 7 minus 4 upon 15. Now see here, what is sign of 7? Plus. What is sign of 4? Minus. Plus and minus opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 upon 15, but this is not in the lowest term. Okay, this is not in the lowest term, my dear. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So what is the answer? 1 by 5. Answer is 1 by 5. Yes? Is it clear or not? Yes. So answer is 1 by 5. 5 upon 3 upon 15. You can cancel 15 with 3. Answer is 1 upon 5. Answer is 1 upon 5. Then 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, tell me the answer. 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Minus 4 by 9. Now denominator. So 4 minus 4 upon 9. That is 0 upon 9. 0 upon 9. Wait. My dear, numerator is 0. Whenever numerator is 0, then the value becomes 0. Answer is 0. When numerator is 0, then the answer is 0. When the denominator is 0, it is infinity, not defined. So 0 upon 9 will be 0. Okay? Yes. 0 upon 0 is different from 0 upon 9. 0 upon 9, numerator is 0. If numerator is 0, then the answer becomes 0. Okay? Numerator is 0, then the answer becomes 0. Okay? If numerator is 0, then the answer becomes 0. Now C part. 5 by 8 minus 0 by 8. Yes, tell me. C part. 5 by 8 minus 0.0 by 8. Now denominators are equal. So you can simplify numerator. 5 minus 0. Not 0, my dear. How 0? No, how 0 by 8? How 0 by 8? What is 5 minus 0? 5 minus 0 is 0? Tell me. 5 minus 0 is 5, my dear. So answer is 5 upon 8, my dear. Okay. Answer is 5 upon 8, not 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now you check whether denominators are equal or not. This is 2, this is 3. So denominator not equal. So when denominator are not equal, we have to take LCM of denominator. 6, yes. LCM of 2 and 3, because both are prime number. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. LCM of 2 prime number is product of the number. So now you make denominator. Yes, move the microphone. Now make denominator 6. Multiply this by 3. So that is 1 into 3 upon 2 into 3 minus, this is 3. You want 6, multiply by 2. 1 into 2 upon 3 into 2. So 1 into 3 is 3. 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 Yes, 3 upon 6 minus 2 upon 6. Now denominators are equal. Denominator is 6, denominator is 6, denominators are equal. So when denominators are equal, you can simplify numerator. That is 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 upon 6. Now minus, plus and minus opposite sign. Opposite sign you have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. 3 minus 2 is 1. Which number is bigger? 3. What is sign of that? Plus. 1/6 is the answer. Then E 5 is to 6 by 7 minus 2 is to 2 by 3. They are mixed fraction. You convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 6, 41 by 7. Minus 3 2s are 6. Let me write everything systematically. So that is 5 into 7 plus 6 upon 7 minus 3 into 2 plus 2 upon 3. So, mute the microphone. 5 into 7 is 35. 35 plus 6, 41. Yes, 35 plus 6 is 41. Is it in? 5 into 7. Yes, mute the microphone. Somebody's disturbance is there. 35 plus 6 upon 7 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 upon 3. 35 plus 6 is 41 upon 7. 41 upon 7 minus 8 upon 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now denominators are equal or not equal? This is 7. This is 3. Not equal. So when denominators are not equal, what you will do? Yes. How you will make denominators equal, my dear? Take LCM of denominator. Take LCM of 7 and 3. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. Yes, so now make denominators 21. This is 7. We have to multiply by 3. So 41 into 3 upon 7 into 3 minus this is 3. We want 21. Multiply by 7. 8 into 7 upon 3 into 7. So 41 into 3 is 123 upon 21 minus 56 upon 21. Now you check whether denominators are equal. Yes, equal. 21 21. Denominators are equal. So when denominators are equal, denominator is equal. Okay. So when denominators are equal, simplify numerator. That is 123 minus 56 upon 21. They have same sign or opposite sign. Plus and minus opposite sign. 123 minus 56. So 13 minus 6 is 7. Then 11 minus 5 is 6. 67. 67 upon 21. But see the question. Question, it is given mixed fraction. So you will divide 67 by 21. 21 3s are 63. Then it is 4. So this I can write 4. This I can write 3 is to 4 upon 21. 3 is to 4 upon 21. Yes, all of you got the same answer? Yes, tell me. All of you got the same answer or different answer? What different answer you got? Answer is 3 is no problem. Okay, no problem. Yes, does not matter, does not matter. You can learn by your own mistakes. Realizing your own mistake will help you in learning. So mistakes are a part of life. Never become nervous when you do the mistake. Mistakes, we have to learn from our mistakes. Wait, how much time is left? My dear, let me complete this subtraction. Let me write FGH, then we will see. F is 3 is to 2 by 6. 3 is to 2 by 6 minus 1 is to 1 by 5. Mixed fraction, so homework. Okay. Then G 33 by 4 minus 17 by 6. You take LCM of 4 and 6. Homework. Okay. Then H 8 by 3 minus 6 by 5. 8 by 3 minus 6 by 5. You will take LCM of 3 and 5. Homework. Okay. So this complete our subtraction. So now you want surprise test. Let me today give you the difficult problems. Okay. Let me check your knowledge. Let me check all of your knowledge. Okay, this type of question I was supposed to give in the exam, but I did not give. So let me check your knowledge. Yes, wait. Yes, I am giving you my idea. Yes. Okay, chalo. Let me give. Successor of. Yes, successor of 6. Successor of 6 upon. Successor of 6 upon. Successor of 6 upon predecessor of 11, then plus successor of 6 upon predecessor of 11 plus let me write plus face value of 3 in face value of 3 in 5 4 183 upon place value of face value of 53418 upon place value of 3 in 76432. Chalo, solve this. Intelligent question. Successor of 6 upon predecessor of 11 plus face value of 3 in 5348 upon place value of 3 in 7642. Between them we have plus sign. Just now today we have learned. So let me give you the option. You want the option? You want the option? 1 minute, my dear. Let me give you the option. Chalo. Let me give you the option. A 1 minute. 11 upon 15. B 12 upon 15. C 13 upon 15. D 17 upon 15. This is one challenging question, my dear. 5-star question. Whoever solve this, they are genius. Okay. Chalo, let me give one more question. Wait, my dear. Let me first write all the question. Let me first write all the question. Okay. Successor of 11 divided by 2 minus predecessor of 2 multiplied with 3. Predecessor of 2, predecessor of 2 multiplied with 3. Predecessor of 2 multiplied with 2. No, predecessor of 3 multiplied with 3. Okay. Option A is 6, B 12, C 0, D -3. Chalo, challenging question, 5 star. These are 5-star question, my dear. How much your knowledge is there? If you solve these two problems, means you can solve any Olympiad problem, any scholarship examination problem, any maths Olympiad problem you can solve. Because these level are tough. Chalo, what is your name first? What is your name? What is your name? Varun? B. (12/15). My dear, such difficult problem all of you can solve. That means all of you are very much intelligent. Such a difficult. What is your name? Pavitra. 0 answer. Second. Wait, let us see. There is no harm. Let us discuss. Majority are telling, yes. Tell us, send me the answer in chat box. Let me read the name. First answer. Option C, Pavitra. D. First answer. B. Now first answer, majority are telling B. Let us check whether B is the answer of first. See here. 1 minute. Successor of 6. What is successor of 6? 7. Predecessor of 10 plus phase value value 3 upon place value 30. Now just now today you have studied. So LCM of 10 and 30 is 30. LCM is 30. So multiply by 3. 7 3s are 21 upon 10 into 3. 3 upon 30. 21 upon 30 plus 3 upon 30. 24 upon 30. So 24, 2 into 12 upon 2 into 15. 2 get cancelled. Answer is 12 upon 15. 12 upon 15. Yes, my dear. Answer is yes, my dear. Yes, 4 upon 5. 12 upon 5 is one of the answer. You can divide by 3, but 12 upon 15 is the answer, so that is the answer. You can suppose the answer is given 4 upon 5, then answer will be 4 upon 5. Okay? Chalo, send me the answer of second. 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5. Chalo, send me. Yes, my dear. Now second answer. Ayush Chandan C. What about others? Bhavesh C. Unnati Dubey C. Hina Chaudhary C. Vivek Chauhan C. Ayush See, so majority are telling 0. These are difficult develop problem, my dear. These, no, see, no, why you are finding it easy? Because you have understood, you have practiced. Otherwise, these type of problems are of scholarship examination and Olympiad examination. Okay. So anyway, successor of 11. Successor of 11 is 12. 12 divided by 2 minus predecessor of 3 is 2 multiplied with 3. 12 6 are 12. 6 minus 2 into 3 6. 6 minus 6 0. Answer is 0. So these are scholarship and Olympiad level of examination, my dear. Question. Very good. I am very happy all of you have given the correct answer. Very good. Yes. So first you have to find. No, my dear. See here. If bracket is there 3 into 3, then you have to find predecessor of 9. But there is no bracket. There is no bracket means first you have to find predecessor of 3 multiplied to 3. If bracket is there, then you have to find predecessor of 9. Okay? Yes, bracket is not there, no. So that will be predecessor of 3 multiplied with 3. Very good. All of you have actively participated. Yes. Very good, sir. My dear